Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we have to find this value for this expression. So let's solve this. So here this 3 will get cancelled, and what left 40 divided by 4. So when you divide this you will get 10. But this is incorrect. This is wrong answer. Because according to order of operation, that is PEMDAS rule, first we have to solve parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, division, and addition and subtraction. In this you have to remember this multiplication and division both have equal priorities. Therefore, we go from left to right. You have to go from left to right. Same for addition and subtraction also. So let's solve this according to PEMDAS rule. What will be the answer, correct answer? So here 40 divided by 4 by 3 times 3. So according to PEMDAS rule, here division and multiplication is given. But here multiplication and division both have equal priorities. Therefore, we go from left to right. So we go from left to right. Means first we are going to solve this division part, then multiplication part. So here 40 divided by 4 by 3. So KCF rule. KCF, according to KCF rule, K stands for keep, C change, F flip. Means in this you have to keep this fraction as it is, then change this one, this division change into multiplication part, and this fraction you have to flip this fraction. Means 4 by 3 is there, so here 3 by 4 will come. Then times 3. So cancel this one. So 10 times 3 times 3. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is 90.